Okay, we're going to do this division problem. This is also going to be a problem that uses those exponent laws. If you have one term on the bottom, this is considered one term because you don't have a plus or minus in between it. If you're taking something on top, dividing it by one term, what you're allowed to do is you're allowed to take everything on top, divide it individually by negative 6x. And this is often going to be a good strategy for breaking things apart, and you can make something more complicated. You can make it easier by simplifying all the individual fractions. Let's do that on this one. We're going to take 3x cubed, divide that by negative 6x. Then we take the next one, negative 12x squared over negative 6x, plus 6x over negative 6x, and then plus negative 9 over negative 6x. So everything on top got divided by negative 6x, and now what we'll do is we'll just simplify each individual fraction. The first one, you get negative 1/2. And then 3, you're using the exponent rule, you're subtracting exponents. 3 minus 1 will give you x squared there. 2 negatives gives you a plus. 2x to the first power. Now this one, you're going to get a minus, but 6x and 6x cancel. Technically it reduces down to 1 over 1, which is 1, so you do need a 1 there. And the very last one, you have 2 negatives that cancel, so you get plus. And then that's going to be 3/2 when you reduce it, so 3 over 2. Now the x has to stay on the bottom down there because that's where it originally was here. Be careful you don't accidentally write your answer like this and then do like an x outside like that, because this kind of interpretation here, the line, it may be misinterpreted as 3/2 x. So when you do these, just make sure you have it clearly on the bottom, that way I won't accidentally mark it wrong. So this will be your correct answer here. There's not really much more we can do as far as reducing this, and there's no like terms, so leave our answer in that form.